We are here sa our house. As you can see, our house. This is my sister, Gian, and another sister, Jessa. Only 3,000 each room. Tapos, as you can see, the biggest pa. As we go around, you will see many rooms. As you can see, my brother Jerome, my sister, Ebon, or Daya, this is our dirty lavabo and our unorganized thing. I made this video because I want to find a yaya to clean and to maintain the cleanliness here, just for 5,000 pesos per month. This is my brother Juno and my sister Dalin. Look at us, our room very dirty, but still we're happy. And organized. Dirty, huh? Dirty. So now to the rooftop.
Let's go to the rooftop.
This is the rooftop of our house, as you can see. This is where you can
Halay.
As you can see, it's very small. That's why I have to sell this house. I have to find another building because I think it's not already affordable to me.
Yeah.
This is my former yaya, but
Uy, ito na siya, yaya. Utod na siya. Fuck you, uncle.
My sister, my cute sister,
Hello.
she always kisses me.
Yeah, exactly.
See? Very sticky. This is our electric controller. Electricity controller.
Ay, shit. Tapos na?